Hi, this is Vidya Nair, and today I will be revealing the teaser of Satwa Hamlet, located in International Airport Road in Sadahalli, North Bangalore. And in this teaser, we will be covering a couple of topics that would include the project overview, the amenities, the area, the booking process, and the launch offers and discounts. And now coming to the first part, which is the project overview. This property is spread across a land parcel of 53 acres, consisting of 13 towers, which comprises of 2 basements, ground floor, and 17 floors. And these apartments come into variations of 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, and 4 BHK in penthouses. And this property is located in Sadahalli, North Bangalore, close to the Bangalore airport. Coming to the location part, this property is located about 7 minutes from the Bangalore International Airport, about 5 minutes from the Prestige Forum Mall, about 8 minutes from Prestige Tech Cloud, and about 8 minutes from the Durgajala metro station. And now, talking about the amenities, this property boasts of several world-class amenities, which includes world-class clubhouse, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall, sports club, kids play area, etc. And now coming to the SPA, the project has a studio with 550 square feet, 1 BHK with 700 square feet, 2 BHK with 187 square feet, 2,300 square feet, and the 4 BHK with 2,700 to 3,000 square feet, and penthouse with about 7,000 plus square feet. And now coming to the booking process, the project is currently under the pre-launch stage and we are collecting the EOs as of now. And our sales team will be more than happy to assist you with the complete project details along with the floor plans and the model flat, the pricing and payment options available, and we'll also give you a tour of the sample plans. So if the client likes the project, they can book the project by paying a token amount through us. So everyone, this was the teaser of the Satwa Hamlet by Satwa Group, and this project is located in the close to the International Airport Road in Sadahalli, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.